Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you'd like to learn how to integrate your Mailchimp account with your Shopify store, this is the right place to be. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, so follow closely. So there are two ways to do this. So I'm going to start out in Shopify, and you're going to go over to the left-hand side. You're going to find apps, and you're going to find the Add Apps button. Here you'll see a couple recommendations, and we're going to go all the way to the bottom, and we are going to be redirected to the Shopify app store. Now, right from here in the search bar at the top, you can go ahead and type in Mailchimp. Hit enter, and Mailchimp will come up here. Now, it may not come up for absolutely everybody in every region. So if it does, you are going to click on it and go through the process of installing it onto your Shopify store. However, if it doesn't show up here, you want to go and log into your Mailchimp account. On the left-hand side, you will have your menu. Right at the bottom, you'll find integrations, and you want to go and tap on Discover. Now, this will allow you to connect apps and integrations into your Mailchimp account. So if you scroll down here, you'll see a list, and eventually you'll scroll upon Shopify. Now you can click on this, and the second option in the way of connecting these two apps is tapping on Getting Started from here. I'm going to use this method, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in your Mailchimp account. So from here, you are going to click on this. You are going to tap on Install on the left-hand side of the page. You will need to now click on Install again, and you will have to also provide various permissions so that your Shopify can connect to your Mailchimp. Now, you'll get into this page here, and basically it has loaded the interface of Mailchimp within your Shopify store. So the next step here is going to log in. Of course, if you don't have an account, you have the opportunity to create an account. You just want to enter in your username and password, tap on log in. Over here again, you have the opportunity to create an account, and you just need to authorize the connection over here. So we're going to just tap on the allow on the bottom of this dialog, and within a few seconds it will have integrated with your Shopify store. You can now see that Mailchimp is integrated into the Shopify store. You just now need to sync all of your settings. So you have the option over here. As you go down, you can click on sync now. It'll take a couple seconds to sync, and when it is done, you'll be ready to see your Mailchimp analytics data and everything else within your Shopify store. Once that is done, we're going to go, and as you can see here, it says get started. What we're going to do is we're going to refresh this page. Okay. Once you've refreshed the page, you're going to go and look at your integrations again. Now, if this has been synced successfully, as you can see, it says connected, and you go into Mailchimp, down to integrations, you'll tap on manage, and you'll be able to see your connected apps here within Mailchimp. And this is an indication that Shopify is connected to your Mailchimp account. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.